Hey, SamR here. Welcome to this demo of Animatio. So what this is a WordPress plugin that allows you to be able to add impacting visuals to your web pages. Now, you may have been on some sales pages, and when you go onto this sales page, you're going to see it as well, where some of the effects or the text and images animate in. They pop up, they bounce up, they slide in, and it's very, very nice. It looks really professional. This is something we started doing with web page design for stuff we were doing with clients with WordPress-based sites probably about a year ago, or just over a year ago. But for that, I actually bought a tool called Slide. What was it called? It was Slide something. It was a WordPress plugin tool that allowed you to be able to create these animations. However, it was quite complicated to use, and it cost me $297 just for the one-time payment license. So it was, yeah, I can't remember what it was called. It was called Slide something. It goes to show, how good it was. It was quite complicated to use, so I stopped using it. Okay, Animatio makes it super easy. It's a WordPress plugin. All you have to do is just install it as you normally do, add new, have a WordPress, activate it, and it's good to go. Now, with this, let's take a look and see how it animates the pages. So I've set up a demo page here. So if I go preview here for this page draft, up the top you can see I've got my WordPress toolbar because it's a WordPress site. Okay, this is an old bonus page from a launch we did a couple of years ago, but I just want to use it to show you the power of this. Okay, so all we have to do is just click up Animatio up the top, and it will open up a little pop-up box. Here we go. Very simple for us to be able to get animating. We just click on the element we want to animate. So let's just use the header element for now, and then we can choose if we want, a hover animation, a hover like a sound when we put our mouse over it, or if we want it to animate. So we can have animations that just work straight away. So if we go bounce, it will just work, once the animation works. You can also do entrances for when they scroll in. So I'll make this one a rubber band one. Okay, we'll go down the page a little bit, and we've got an image here. Okay, what we want to do is we want this to have an different sort of entrance. So we could have it say bounce in from the left, or we can have it, what else can we do? We can have it fade in, fade down. We got quite a lot of different things. We've got rotating entrances as well, which we can use. So a whole bunch of different stuff, which we can use to sort of get attention. So if I go into, if we just go bouncing down, and then we can do text here. We can also animate this to swing in. All these sorts of things. This is a whole image, so we can animate this to rubber band. Yeah, so we got all this sort of stuff. Now, you can do this throughout your page. Now, what I like about Animatio is it makes it super easy to be able to do this as you just scroll down the live version of your page. You don't have to jump in, do any code, you don't have to find anything. It's as simple as clicking the elements and doing the animations. Okay, so if we click even in this entire row, we can animate this as well. On this we can have this whole bit just swing in, or we can even do it to the whole page if we choose the body of the page. Depending, where you click on your page, you could do it so the whole body of the page does it. So if I go down, we select this text, we can animate this. We'll have it bouncing right, things like this. Let's show maybe I clicked on the wrong bit. So we can have it go bouncing left. There we go. So it's done like a whole bunch of different stuff for our page. Now, there are things you could do when you edit things. So if we go down into here and we select this animation, and we go, we want this one to bouncing down. Okay, we can have it offset to a number of pixels, so it depends how far down the page the user scrolls, so it won't animate straight away. You can also do stuff so it'll do things. So oops, looks like we haven't been saving the animations as I've been demonstrating this stuff to you. So as we go down here, we can select this. We can choose animation. We'll animate this into a. We'll do this entrance into a bouncing right. Okay, and we can have the animation delay either from time when people are on the site, so this is good for the stuff they first see, or we can have it you know, we can have it done with the pixels as well, so we can do it at 500, for example. You can also have a sound for when they hover over stuff. So if we save this animation and we go up to, say, this button here, we can select a sound for when people hover over it. So we can have voices that say click to buy now, register for the webinar, anything like this. There's also various different beeps and noises, thunders, strikes, car noises, all sorts of stuff. So you can start to bring your website to life with these animations. So so let's have a look at what we've just done here. If we go save. Okay, so I went through and I just did a few basic animations just so we can just showcase them on this page here. Maybe a little different to what I showed in the demo, because I realized I wasn't saving them as I was going through. So if I refresh this page here, you're going to see it. So as you can see, the headline sort of bounced in. We got the video going here, but if we scroll down, we got the image animates in. My connection might be a bit slow. This image pops in as well. So it's these sorts of things that you could do on your page to be able to help, you know, get people's attention when they come onto sales pages. We just saw our text move there. So it's these little touches that help make a page a bit more engaging, helps get people's attention. You can use it to draw people's attention to where you want it to go as well. So very, very simple tool. Again, here I've got the animator up. I can just edit things on the fly as I want to by just clicking on the various elements, fully animate out a page to make it a bit more engaging for all that go on it. Now you've seen in the demo how easy it is to edit the animations and things like that. There's a lot more to this as well. I just want to show you something. Here we are in the members area where you download Animatio. When you buy it, you get a login, okay, and it says products you have access to, start now. I just wanted to quickly show you this because this goes to show there's a lot more to this than just the WordPress plugin. They put a lot of thought into this. You've got a full PDF user manual to be able to help you do it. You've got the download page. If you buy the Pro version, you'll have a different page where you download the Pro. You got full quick start tutorials, how to install it and apply animations, apply sounds, and then using with different tools as well, like Optimize Press and Insta Build It. Now the demo I just showed you, it was actually used using an Optimize Press built page, okay, within WordPress. So there is a whole bunch of different training for all that sort of stuff. You can access your bonuses to download within the members area from the Animatio guys. Our bonuses will be downloadable on the link in your JVZoo purchase portal as well, as per usual. So got all the tools you needed to get started with this quickly and easily. Not gonna lie, when I installed this plugin, I just started playing with it. I didn't actually read the tutorials. However, I have had a quick look at them and they are very clearly laid out how to use it. So it's been a pleasure to show you Animatio. If you're looking to animate your pages, this is definitely a really good solution for you. The pricing is much better than the slide one that I bought. I can't even remember what it's called, slide something. It was $297 for the one-off. For Animatio, it's much, much lower than that. There is an unlimited version, which I'd highly recommend you buy, because I think the standard version does about 10 pages. So the unlimited version makes sense because you'll want to do this for a lot of your pages, and it makes it very quick and simple. So this is Sam. Enjoy Animatio, and we'll have another preview for you coming up soon.